Here we have your classic scenario of a hill that has been sliding for years and years and years. And this home has already had some damage with the hillside sliding underneath the house. But now it's been, let's say, exacerbated by there's a new home going in here, there's a new home that's going up behind those trees. And so that water is going to have to go somewhere. And so what this homeowner has done is they put in a five-tiered terrace, let's call it, and they're using HydroBlox to take care of all the water. So there's HydroBlox drainage behind each one of these retaining walls. And the cool thing is, the good news is that the homeowner was able to see the performance of HydroBlox after 2 or 3 days of heavy rains that we had. So in the middle of the project, they had 2 or 3 days of heavy rains, and they were able to see the HydroBlox perform really, really well. So that was really encouraging for him. But you can see what he's done. So you have a bottom run of HydroBlox along the bottom of the board, and then he's put up, he has a good name for it, he called them straws. I like that. He has straws that are porting up vertically, spaced every 8 to 10 feet, which will then also help wick in water and take water down to the bottom boards. And you can see that over here as well. Right? And so what you're looking at here is a terraced system that is going to prevent the hill slide going toward the house, and it's all done with HydroBlox. So instead of wheelbarrows and wheelbarrows and wheelbarrows and wheelbarrows of rock and pipe, in fact you can see the old pipe they're ripping out, that didn't work, and now they're doing all the drainage with HydroBlox. And this homeowner can't sing the praises enough because he's already seen it perform. And all of the, so this is the last leg. Actually, I think he's going to put a run here as well on the yard grade at the house, but he's going to certainly put one here behind this wall, and everything goes to the street. So you have yard grade, you have this level, that level, that level, and that level up there. And all of the water connects, all of the HydroBlox rather, connects this way going toward the street. And there will be a culvert out there at the street that the water is directed to. And then that'll just go out to a creek, which is downhill. But you can see this is a classic scenario of hillsides with drainage problems. I need to go talk to all these neighbors around here because take a look at that. You've got lots of drainage issues, lots of problems. HydroBlox can solve them. HydroBlox can solve them. But this homeowner is doing one hell of a job securing this hillside and putting in good drainage. And that's it. And this is from Lafayette, California, a small town in the San Francisco Bay Area with a lot of hills and a lot of water problems. And this is HydroBloxWest.com. For more information, go to HydroBloxWest.com.